Hi everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm in the 2024 Honda Accord and I'm going to show you how to pair your smartphone to the 12.3-inch touchscreen. This is in the Accord Hybrid that I'm sitting in. And so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to go ahead and click or select Connect New Device. And as you can see on the screen, it's going to give you instructions as to what to do. Now I'm using an iPhone, but it will be the same basic process with an Android phone. So we're going to go all the way down here to Honda Accord. I'm going to select that and you're going to see that it's going to pair. And so I am going to hit pair right there and let it do its thing. We're going to hit allow. And we will begin the process here and use CarPlay. That's pretty important here because obviously I want to do that. You can select things as you see fit, depending on what you want to do here, but that's how easy it actually is to do this. Now, we're still finishing up the process, and there we go. We're finished. When that happens, when you see this on the screen basically mirroring your phone, well, then you know that your phone is paired. And if you need to get back to the main screen, well, it's pretty easy to do. Just hit home, and you can see where you are. When you want to go back to seeing Apple CarPlay, there is what you do. Now, if you're curious about how to disconnect your phone, in fact, let's go back here. Here we go. We're going to go over here to General Settings and then Connections. And then I'm going to go up here to Manage Device Connections. So right now, I have my iPhone right here. And what I want to do is go right here to disconnect. You can see it up here on the screen. It's disconnecting and the process is done. It's that simple. So that's how you connect and disconnect an Apple iPhone or an Android phone for that matter in the 2024 or 2023 Honda Accord.